Hey folks, I thought I would show you my 1952 International Harvester refrigerator. It's going to get covered up for the rest of the season and it's all cleaned up. This is original paint. It was built in 1952. If we go to the back of it, we can see the serial number tag. .521 of 52. Original decals. It works great. Beautiful badges on it. And inside is just as nice. Hello, Buttercup. Don't get in the fridge. Even inside the freezer, there's an international logo. Decals are still here. Use the convenient bottle opener. There it is, under the latch. Spot for eggs, etc. I made a new door seal up for it. That's the only thing I've had to do. I left the original door seal there. It was hard and wasn't sealing, but I was able to get this foam from my hardware store. It's nice and squishy, and it ended up working out perfect to seal this fridge up. I received this fridge about 12 years ago from the original owner. He purchased it brand new in 1952 and was put in the basement of the new house that he built in 1952 in London, Ontario. It was in that basement and worked the whole time until they were moving from that property, and that's when I purchased it. I brought it home and I plugged it in. I thought, geez, is it working? My new fridge in the house is making lots of noise, but this one doesn't make hardly any noise at all. It works great. I plug it in at Christmas time for our annual shop party, and I can leave it plugged in for a week or 2 or 3. It doesn't use hardly any power at all, and it'll sit at 34 degrees the whole time. Doesn't even hardly frost up. If I wasn't afraid of it getting covered in dirt and grime and overspray in the shop, I'd love to have it out and displayed all the time. It was a great save, and I'm glad to have it. Thanks for watching.